How to clear YouTube cache on Samsung Smart TV. So once you are here on the main home page, tap on Settings. From here, go to All Settings. Now, from here, go ahead and select Support. And then choose Device Care option. Now, from here, choose Manage Storage. From here, you would have to search for YouTube applications. I'm going to swipe towards the right-hand side, and under YouTube app, you'll see View Details. If you tap on it, in the middle, you'll be able to find Clear Cache. If you tap on it, you will be able to clear cache on YouTube from your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.